Hello everyone, my name's George, welcome to Swagger Swoon, and we're going to be talking about wedding cravats. So this is our pre-tied wedding cravat. As you can see, it comes on a handy neck strap there. It's got adjustable slider, so it should fit most necks, and just clips around the neck. Really easy. And we've made them to be in the same style actually as a self-tie one, just so they look a little bit more authentic. But obviously the classic way to wear a cravat would be the self-tie one, which we've got just over here. Now, it's usually recommended to wear cravats with a waistcoat, just because you can then tuck the ends in at the end. Where you start your cravat is a little bit sort of hit and miss. You'll just have to have a bit of trial and error on that one, but I'm sure you'll figure it out very quickly. For this one, we're going to start a little bit like this, and hopefully this will fit tuck in nicely. So what you want to do is take your long end and cross it over your short end. It's very much like tying a tie, this, very similar process. But yeah, so start with that one like that. You then want to take the long end behind your cravat piece like so. Then wrap him over the top before popping your long point here up the back and back down through that hole that you've just made there. So you've got that loop there. This is where you need to do just a bit of adjustment until you're happy with it. So the front paddle, if you pull that one, that will control how tight your knot is. So if you like it a little bit skinnier or a little bit looser, you can do that with this one. And the back one will control where it sits up to the collar, like so. So take a minute and just sort of have a play with it until you're happy with the shape you've got there. And then you can make sure you're happy with the paddles coming out the front there as well. These ends can then be tucked down into your cravat, like so. And then when you're happy with everything, you can fold your collar down. And there you have your wedding cravat.